today we are on a new type of adventure, and that is a sailing trip with our friends Mike and Micah. We are starting off at Swartz Bay on Vancouver Island and sailing to one of the Gulf Islands, which is Thetis Island, for an overnight trip. So Mirko, how are you feeling about this new kind of adventure on the water?
I'm very excited about this new adventure, as I've never been on a sailboat before, despite me being on the water for many years. But yeah, that kind of might open up a new opportunities we never had before, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm very impressed so far. Smooth sailing, even though it's a rough sea.
It is some rough seas, but I feel like our mighty vessel here, the what's it called? Elixir, yeah, will get us safely to our destination and back.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go. The journey begins near the Swartz Bay ferry terminal on southern Vancouver Island. We use a motor to quickly get through the busy area and head towards Salt Spring Island, where it's time to let down the sails and embrace the power of the wind. Sailing is a peaceful experience, but the wind doesn't always cooperate. It doesn't take long before we're back to using a motor if we want to make it to Thetis Island in one day. All right, we got Captain Mirko now. Looks good on ya.
I'm a pirate, you know, pirate tour.
How does it feel?
Different than the motorboat. There's a lot of pressure on the steering wheel. And I'm about to catch up with the other boat and then ram it right from behind.
Okay, I don't think you're supposed to do that with sailing though.
No?
It's not bumper boats.
Ah.
Especially if it's not your boat. So this is kind of crazy. The water temperature is 18 degrees,
Yeah.
which never happens in the part of the island we live.
No, we typically have half as much.
Yeah,
8 to 10, but not 8 plus 10.
no, it's amazing.
Yeah.
It looks like we got some weather over there though. Show us around.
Oh my gosh, okay, this is the galley.
And the fridge
Got
is
your-
kind of interesting.
Yeah, got your fridge in here, fridge and freezer.
Wow, okay. Let's get a lot in there.
Yeah, oh, here's the stove, oven, and the stove top is hiding in here somewhere. There's that. Got everything in here.
Nice little living area. Nice cushions here.
Yes, yes, very nice. Just reading those.
And the sleeping quarters. Cozy. You have to check out the bathroom here. Ah. What's your favorite part about the sailboat?
My favorite part, well, getting to go to the places that you don't generally get to go to if you don't have a boat.
So it's not actually being on the boat.
No, it's really not that comfortable.
It's comfortable
It's
enough.
got a heater, which is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you don't have to freeze. So it's pretty cute. It's pretty cozy.
5 hours later, we arrive at our anchorage for the night and hop on the dinghy to explore part of Thetis Island on foot. which is pretty easy to do since it's a small island. The island has no commercial center, but there are a few shops, artist studios, and marinas where you can find snacks and enjoy some peace and quiet. You look very relaxed.
This is Wolf Island. Peace.
Another thing you must do on a sailing adventure is set crab traps. Unfortunately, we didn't have any keepers, but it was still fun to try.
Look at that.
Oh, look at all of them in there. Oh, that is big.
Oh yeah, with eggs. Peanuts.
How can they have eggs at that size?
So small.
Yeah.
Wow. They all have eggs.
Holy.
Crap. Holy crab.
Whole bunch of red rock and
The next morning, we're greeted with strong winds that create an intense sailing experience I definitely wasn't prepared for.
it's different than hiking, yeah?
Oh my god, this is crazy! Look how much we're tilted!
Yeah.
Whoa! Mike looks so relaxed. He's like, yeah, whatever. Oh, life is good again.
Yeah.
We've turned.
Change the angle a bit, you see?
Yeah, we're not going to be pushed over anymore. The captain doesn't look worried.
Terrified.
Yeah. So like trying to cook in this.
Well, it's not too bad. As long as everything stays in the pan, I think we should be alright.
It's just when you have to walk somewhere in the boat,
Yes,
like
yeah.
use the toilet.
Then it gets a little tricky.
I know wind is needed for sailing, but I really do hate the wind. And I also enjoy walking, which is hard to do on a boat. So I guess I'm not cut out to be a sailor, but it is fun having friends with a sailboat. Walking, do 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 do.
So